Ako yung nag-ano sa kanya. Ako yung magsasabi sa kanya. Tapos after that, sabihin, ganun pala.
Oh, ganito. Isang New Year's party, ha? Lagi nagsasabi ng family ko. Nakataon. My brother got in a fight with my one cousin. But I haven't seen them in a while kasi andito na ako sa Pinas.
Tagal na.
Maybe on my first year I was here. Bumalik ako sa States. Excited ako kasi 1 year I didn't see my cousins, ganon. Excited sila kasi itong gagawin ko, ganon. Nag-away yung brother ko sa isang pinsan ko. We left the party because of that. Ayaw na brother ko. Everybody get in the car. What? Everybody get in the car. Even me go, Stan, get in the car. Parang ako, oo, grabe, no? Ganon. He was able to sway lahat kami. Umalis sa
Mom mo.
party. Oh, kahit yung mom ko kasi nagalit yung brother ko. Mom, I'm leaving. If we don't leave, I'm leaving by myself. Ganon. So we just left together as a family. Yung brother ko.
Pero yung dad mo, wala.
No, wala yung dad ko.
Separate mo siya.
Separate na.
Sobrang magkamukha ka lang.
Mas iba yung mukha niya. Yung nose niya, different. And eyes niya, mas chinipa. Pero, if you didn't see me, you're gonna think that's me. Ako yun. People think he's me. Imagine him in the States, baka people think he's me. No? If they're watching, nakakatawa talaga yung brother ko. Yung brother mo. Gusto ko ma-meet yung brother mo.
Iba-iba yung, di kayo masyadong magkamukha. Konti lang, mga angles.
Na
Iba siya.
O kasi hindi kayo kambal. You also.
With you, kumukha kami.
I don't
Hindi.
remember.
Ano siya eh. Hindi, sige, magkamukha kami, pero kasi mas sharp yung features ng mukha ko. Sa paamoy mo. Ako, ganito, sungit. Sanya, paamoy mo. Ilong niya mas manipis. Yung lips niya mas manipis. Yung mukha niya mas may laman. Pero parang may cheekbone. Mas malaking mukha niya sa akin. Mas laki yung buhok niya sa akin. At sobrang haba.
Ano pa
Puti
ginagawa?
niya. Sobrang puti niya. Kasi pagka-baliktad kami, siya ayaw niyang with the round foot. Sobrang dim yung work. Nakatawa siya maglakad. Ganito siya sakto maglakad.
Bakit?
Pamilki.
She's super what?
Ate! Pero naman ang ano mo, okay lang. Thank you. Pagtatawa siya. Pag kumakain. Pag nakakatawa siya kasi kumakain siya. Pinapanood ko.
Oh, ganito, di ba, Ben? May bago kang shirt, di ba? Ayoko magpahiram sa'yo kundi you don't wear it first.
Oh my God!
Ano
Ganun
ba?
yung kapatid ko.
You know why? Because my brother, if he didn't wear it, hindi pwede talaga.
Oo.
You can't wear it until he wore it first.
Oo, kapatid ko.
Sanay na ako sa ganun. That's why I said, Ben, I'll just pick it. But Ben, parang ako, oh, sige, just borrow kahit ano. Di ba? Kahit bago lang. My brother, ayaw. Yung time, PlayStation. Yung first time na, yung PlayStation. Yung kinuha niya ng PS, oh. My hands had to be clean. I had to wash my hands to play with it. Because your oil's gonna go with my controller. Ano ba yan? Kanya siya. Oh, I had to wash my hands. Ako pa. And he won't he won't share a glass with me. I'm his kambal. He won't drink from the same glass as me. Kayo nagsishare, no?
Okay lang siya.
My brother, no. Ayaw niya.
Kasi hindi siya metikuloso.
Hmm?
Hindi siya masyadong,
No, my brother.
kalat. Yung kapatid ko, medyo kalat siya.
Jeezy can be, but not all the time. Depende sa kanya.
Sabihin na hindi, sobrang matino. Ako yung kalat.
Or if I wash the dishes, like, with the dishes, he won't remember any time ako naghugas.
Lalo na yung bago pa yung PS2. Kaya bumili kami PS2. Sabi ko, Rero. Oh, sabi mo, 1 hour ka na. Ako na. Tapos, sana nagpalit. Oh, 1 hour ka na. Mamaya na, 30 minutes.
Oh, pag sila na. Oo.
Wala akong magawa, syempre.
Oo.
Mahirap pag yung panganay.
Teka lang, sisave ko muna. Baka mag-ulit na naman ako sa start nito.
when I went to the States, diba? Like I said with the dishes, I wash the dishes almost every day. And then biglang magpa-pile up. Katulad pa minsan ganun. He goes, you never wash the dishes. I'm like, what? Because you don't do anything. I'm like, what? Because you're so used to having like... I was like, what? That has nothing to do with this. I go, I wash it. Ako nag-uhugas yung dishes. He goes, no, you don't. So I have to wash again. Ganun. Mag-aaway kami dun.
Tatlo lang kayo sa bahay.
Hmm?
Tatlo kayo
Sino?
sa bahay niyo.
Oh, when we were together before. No. 4. Ganun.
Walang ko ng pagkain. Gutom na ako.
But don't get me wrong, I love him. He's my best friend and everything. These are just the bad things about him, the funny things. That's why I like him so much. I love him so much. Lalo pa pag, let's say we're in the restaurant and medyo rude yung service. Wala siyang takot. Takot? Wala siyang takot.
Wala siyang takot.
Wala siyang takot to say anything about it. Sasabihin niya. That's what I love about him sometimes. So he would be a perfect assistant here in the Philippines. Di ba, Pamits? Kasi
Yeah.
if you're the artist, dapat hindi ikaw magko-complain. Kasi baka iba yung tingin sa'yo.
Ako yung ganun.
You can't be like that, Chris.
No, I have to control myself. I have to be nice all the time. Sister ko na ako. Kasi sister, sa restaurant kami. Yung food may yun.
Bakit armpit here?
Basta yun, ang haba naman ganun.
In the food? So, ano nangyari?
So parang sabi niya, ate, tignan mo, paano to? Riyak! Ano yan? Di ko na nga makain, gutom na ako. Eh, ba't di mo sabihin, nahiya ako eh. Waiter, ano to? Waiter, yan. Ang baboy naman, oh. Parang, ay, sorry. Ano yan, pinalitan. Pero, alam ko yung tsura ng plate, hindi nila pinalitan.
They just took it out.
Just took it out para
You know why? Kasi dito, hindi katulad sa States. You know, paminsan sa States, in some restaurants, may budget sila pag may kamali kasi may allowance talaga. Pero dito, yung problema, paminsan, everything is accounted for. So, kung may bulbul or whatever inside the food, ang count dun,
Uy, malapit na magkaano fronties, oh.
tanggal mo na.
Yay!
Nag-ano sa
Ang dami yung pag-ipin, di, tanggal mo na.
Hindi, ang dami ng ngipin.